Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial we're going to be taking a look at one of Canva's new features that has just been released, which is To Subscript. Here we can see we've got some text on our screen and it's the common formula H2O. If I want to change the number to lower it down to make it look like the actual formula, I need to first highlight the number. Then if we go up here we can see the option for advanced formatting. I need to select the option and now we can see we have got an option to subscript, which is demonstrating where it's going to put the number. So if we click on that, we can see now that the number has been lowered down and it's now looking like a formula, which is absolutely perfect. This is a really super quick and easy way of doing it without having to create a different text box and lower text yourself. It makes it really simple. As well as subscripting the text, we can also highlight the text, we can make it bold, we can italicize it, and we can also change the text colour you want it to. I think this is a really great feature that Canva has released, and it's going to make it a lot quicker and easier when you are wanting to create designs or documents. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon.